Hi, I'm Chris Astill-Smith. I'm one of the two founders of Epigenetics Limited, along with Jill, my partner here. And we founded Epigenetics in 2011 in Wiltshire, mainly designed to make good, clean products. Both Jill and myself are clinicians. We're both kinesiologists and we both practice our subject of functional biochemistry. We've been looking for many years for sources of very good, clean products which are deficient in fillers, binders, colors, because many of our patients are sensitive to chemicals, and especially children who are sensitive to or hyperactive to many chemicals that they put into medicines and supplements. All our products are clinically formulated by both Jill and myself, tested with our patients extensively before they are released onto the open market.
We have had phenomenal growth over the last 12 years, 13 years, we've had phenomenal growth. And with our new production facility, we're very excited to be able to expand even more, to work with our patients and practitioners to find out what the new health trends are, what people are looking for. People are very into looking after themselves with taking the right vitamins, taking the right products. And we're now very well set up to address that market and to find high quality products that really do address the health issues that people are concerned about today. We'll continue with our practitioner education, which we do on a regular basis, which stretches our knowledge of what's going on in the health world. And we're very proud of that. So we're set up now for a very exciting future. Thank you very much for watching this, and we look forward to communicating with you soon.